So I want to bring something to you guys. I have been thinking about what it is that I have learned that has helped me the most in the situation that we're in right now. And I think for me, there is a smaller taste of a bigger program that would really, really be beneficial right now. It is 10 disciplines, or call it philosophies, that I can teach you, that you can practice, and they are tangible. You do not have to be a self-development master student to do this. You can take these, you can implement them in your day immediately, and I want to give this to you because it has been so beneficial for me to know it, that I really think that this is what has kept me on a higher playing field the last couple of weeks. So if you are someone that ever has been interested in self-development, you have some time on your hands right now, you want to kind of look into ways that you can reduce your stress, gain some overall wellness, play around a little bit with how to be a little bit more resilient. If you've heard any of my previous videos, you've heard me talk about resilience. This is going to get you there. I want to give this to you. 5 weeks, 10 disciplines, 2 a week. I'll be doing it in a virtual style meeting. So if you're interested, go ahead and sign up, and I can't wait for you guys to learn about this stuff.